Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to Finance Tube. My name is Vishal Thakkar. I am your friend and finance guru with a continuous commitment of upgrading your financial skills and knowledge. Today's topic of discussion is how to make an investor slide deck. So you have a brand new startup idea and now you are looking for an investor. So how can you make a slide deck? Gone are those days when you make a simple PowerPoint presentation, put some pictures, graphics here and there and show it to the investor and get funded. No. Now two things have happened. One, investor has become very smart, and second, the tools for preparing the slide decks have changed. This video focuses on the content part of it. There are many tools available in the market. There are many experts available in the market who can make a deck for you. But what goes into the deck is something which has to come from you and not from that expert. Three critical areas that you need to cover when you are making a pitch to an investor using a slide deck is: number one, what is your business model? Share details about how the business will work. What is the objective that your customer will serve from the product or service that you are planning to deliver it to him? What will be the revenue model? What kind of profit margins you will have, and how it gets translated into a positive cash flow. Number two, having detailed financial projections for coming 3 to 5 years. Please understand that investor is funding you for your future, not for your past. All your past achievements, accolades, awards are there to show your credibility. But your financial projections are important to gain investors' confidence of the fact that you will be able to repay the investment to him with his desired earnings growth. Third most important factor is your USP that your business has. What do you mean by USP? USP means unique selling proposition, which today is better termed as a value differentiator. How are you different from other similar businesses that are existing today in the real world or are planning to come? What is that 1, 2 or 3 things that sets you apart from everybody else? It could be your network of people, it could be the talent that you have, it could be the business idea itself. For an example, if you talk about Swiggy or Scootsie, such models never existed. The idea itself was a USP, because hotel never thought of catering to parcels to its customers over long distances. Today, a separate idea like Zomato had to incorporate delivery into its business model because a new innovation came into the market which served the need of the people who could not go out and eat food. Likewise, you should cater to USP in your slide deck for sure. These are the 3 key ingredients which are a must in every investor slide deck. For more videos on how to raise funds, how to improve your CIBIL scores, stages of funding, continue watching our channel. And if you haven't subscribed so far, subscribe now, our channel Finance Tube.